today I'm going to unbox the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max in space gray. I just got it with the original clear case. So let's jump into it. So let's crack it open. Beautiful. So I put the phone at the side at first. We have some paperwork here with Apple stickers, and at last we have a fast charger in the box from the Apple. This is an 18-watt charger, usual lightning cable, and the AirPods. Just normal stuff like always. And let's see this baby around here with this great space gray color. I really love it. The camera bump is okay. I like it, to be honest with you. It's just a preference thing. So, and let's do here open. Lovely. So that's all about the new iPhone. Thank you for watching, guys.